Just be at 5 Birkdale Street. I went, Birkdale Street, sure, where's that? Just type it in. I'm in Shirley. And Shirley says hi, by the way, for those not in Christchurch. Shirley is not a woman. It's a place, a subdivision. It's a long way from here. So I've been to Shirley. I looked at 5 Birkdale Street. You guys are not going to fit in there, okay? It's at tops 2 to 3 bedroom house. Lawns need mowing. So what the hell? What the hell? Bring your wife down and have a candle lit dinner. Shut up, Tim. He was amazing. Like, he was simply amazing. Speaking of amazing, this man here, one of the greatest highlights of my life was meeting Sir Paul Holmes. Energetic. Well, we've got a bit of work to do there. Knowledgeable, fun, trustworthy, confident, interesting, engaging. I go, okay, cool. So before you write your little presentation or you get your script ready for your video, have you thought about those words? No? Oh. Look, good luck with that then. If people are so unsure, they just, right now, right, I'm not sure if you notice it, but people are like, hey, so how's that going to, so what will that look like? How's that going? There'll be lots of questions because kind of like what we talked about before with the ordinary, extraordinary, they just don't know. We live in a world where nothing is certain anymore. We don't even know if a meeting's online or in person. I turn up at my office sometimes for a meeting to discover that the meeting was online. I just don't know about much anymore. You know a lot of stuff. I know you do. But at the end of the day, unless I can see that you care about what you know, I actually don't care. It's just stats and facts and figures. I honestly, you could just send me that stuff in an email. I honestly don't need to hear you talk about it. But if you're going to talk to me about it and you're going to make a video or present to me or in a Zoom, come on a Zoom meeting, what is the benefit? What's the added benefit? I just keep saying to people, why don't you send an email? Good point. Yeah, it's a good point. Because when you talk to people like this, or when you have a Zoom meeting, something like that, you've got a way of showing people how much you care. So that's so key in whatever you do, whenever you're talking to clients, whatever, particularly when you're talking with people that you're trying to get work from or, doing work with, just show them how much you're invested in this. It's everything because, if they don't think you're invested or they don't see that you care, that they just won't care either. Trust me.